Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's topic is about how to delete the chats on your Gmail through the browser. If you're interested in the video, be with us till the end. Just open your Gmail account through the browser. As you open it, you will see the screen. Just click on this empty box at the top left of the screen. As you click on it, all the chats will be selected. After that, click on this trash box, which is the delete option. As you click on it, all the chats that you selected will automatically be deleted. Now, the other option can also be just go to the sidebar, go to the more option, scroll it, go to the all mail. Now, to delete all the chats, what you have to do is just click on the select option. All the chats have been selected. After that, click on the trash can. Let it load. And as you see, 50 conversations have already been deleted. To undo it, you can quickly click here. So that's how you can select the chats and delete it. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below so that you get notified every single time we upload a new informative video for you. Thank you.